In 2025, people aren't just using AI, they're making money with it. But here's the secret. Most don't even know how these systems really work. Today, I am breaking down the 4 fundamental AI powers that are quietly changing lives all around the world. Make sure you watch until the very end, because the last one is by far the most powerful. And I'll show you exactly how people are using these to earn money even while they sleep. AI isn't just about robots doing backflips or having a casual chat with ChatGPT. It's a powerful combination of 4 distinct systems: text, image, video, and voice that, when put together, can literally replace the work of an entire creative team. Think about that for a second. The traditional model of needing writers, designers, videographers, and voice actors is becoming obsolete. These 4 powers are the core reason why individuals are now building full-time online incomes using nothing more than a laptop and a stable internet connection. It's a revolution in how we create and earn, and it's happening right now. The barrier to entry has never been lower, but the potential has never been higher. So let's dive into what makes this possible. Before I reveal the actual tools you can start using today, it's crucial to understand how these 4 powers connect and amplify each other. Imagine a production line, but for digital content. It all starts with one AI that generates ideas and writes the words, your script, your blog post, your marketing copy. Then, another AI takes those ideas and turns them into stunning visuals, logos, thumbnails, or illustrations. Next, a third AI transforms those static images and text into dynamic, engaging videos. And finally, a fourth AI gives those videos a real human-sounding voice, bringing the entire creation to life. Together, they form a complete automated system that can run almost everything for you, from concept to final product, ready to be uploaded and monetized. This synergy is where the real magic happens. Okay, let's get to the good stuff. Let's talk about the 4 fundamental AI pillars that are shaping the future of work and online business. First up, we have Text AI. This is your personal writer, content strategist, and marketing guru all in one. It can draft blog posts in minutes, write compelling social media captions, compose professional emails, and even generate entire business plans from a simple prompt. Tools like ChatGPT and WriteSonic are leading the charge here, turning your ideas into polished, well-structured text effortlessly. Second, we have Image AI. This is your in-house graphic designer. It can create jaw-dropping posters, high click-through rate thumbnails for your videos, and ad creatives that look like they came from a top-tier agency. You don't need any design skills. You just describe what you want, and AI brings it to life. Platforms like Midjourney and Leonardo AI are producing visuals that are not just professional, but often breathtaking. Third on our list is Video AI. This is your automated video editor. It can take your raw footage, your images, and your script and edit them into a full-fledged video automatically. This is a game changer for YouTubers, course creators, and digital marketers who want to produce high-quality video content at scale without spending hours editing. Tools like Runway ML and Pika Labs are making video creation faster and more accessible than ever before. And fourth, the one that ties it all together, Voice AI. This technology can take any plain text and convert it into a realistic, human-like voiceover in seconds. You can choose from hundreds of voices, languages, and emotional tones. It's perfect for narrating videos, creating podcasts, or even powering automated customer service. Services like 11 Labs and Wondercraft are producing voices that are virtually indistinguishable from a real person. These 4 AI systems, working in concert, are completely redefining how people create, earn, and build businesses from the ground up. So, what's the real impact of all this? With just these 4 types of AI, you can literally run an entire online content business by yourself. Think about the workflow. You write your scripts and articles with Text AI. You design all your branding and visuals with Image AI. You produce and edit all your video content with Video AI. And you give it all a professional narration with Voice AI. You're a one-person media company. There are no employees to manage, no expensive studio to rent, and significantly less stress. You have smart, efficient systems working for you around the clock, 24/7, creating assets that can earn you money long after you've finished the initial work. It's the ultimate form of leverage. So now you know the 4 AI fundamentals that are making people rich in 2025: text, image, video, and voice. These aren't just cool tech toys, they are the new tools of the trade. My advice? Learn them, start using them, and begin building your own AI-powered income stream today. Don't just work hard, work smart with AI Hustle Hub. And hey, if you want me to make separate in-depth videos explaining each of these AIs and showing you step-by-step how to use the best tools, drop a comment below and let me know which one you want to see first. I'll cover them one by one. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on building your future with AI.